Breathe in. Hold. Let it go. I've been holding weight I don't need. Running thoughts on repeat. Every breath was shallow before. Now I'm sinking into the floor. Breathing for 4. Hold for 5. Breathe out for 6. Slow. I am safe, I am whole, I am healing. I let go, I am light, I am free. Every breath is healing me. In, hold, out, body hums like open space. Tension melts, I'm in my grace. Every cell knows what to do. When I breathe, I'm breaking through. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Yeah. Breathe out for 6. Slow. I am calm, I am clear, I am grounded in this year. I am love, I am light, relaxing without tonight. Dear, it's tonight. Tonight, tonight, tonight. Tonight, tonight. If it tightens, let it be. Lay it down and breathe with me. Slow your mind, soften your chest, relax your shoulders. Now take a deep breath. Breathe in light, soft and gold. Hold it warm, let it glow. Breathe it out through your feet. Feel the ground, Mother Earth's heartbeat. Breathe in light, breathe in light. Hold it slow, hold it slow. Let it go, let it go. I am safe, I am whole, I am more than what I know. I am light, I am free, I am free. Every breath is healing me straight. Every breath recalibrates. Every breath recalibrates. I am safe, I am here, I am calm, I am clear, I am grounded, I am whole. Every breath restores my soul.